Okay, traders, this is the the last trade of the week idea for the year 2020. So this is it. Let's hope it's a good one. There's a disclaimer. I'm just not going to read it, but there it is. It's on front of this video. And this is not a trade signal. We have discussed this at length in the live room. And this video is just a short recap of an idea for a big opportunity that may transpire in the near future. All trade ideas are for educational purposes only. All right. So the trade is on the pound Aussie. As you can see, we're set with a nice channel to the downside. And depending on how you look at it, this is either a 1, 2, 3 to the upside, or if you count this, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the upside. Okay. Either way, this is telling us it's over. MACD is already pointing away to the downside, as you can see here. And right now, it's before 5 o'clock. The ATR on the pound Aussie is 180 pips. All right. So we're looking for this to top out here and head on down here. All right. So you can see the trade 1 would be here, trade 2 is here, and trade 3 is here with 2 positions there. And you might even get a 4th position on down here, depending on how it goes. All right. So big opportunity there for 180 plus pips, and looking for a target of 75.63. Now, after 5 o'clock, if it does move down before 5 o'clock, you may actually get a shot at this 1.7500 when you get the new ATR. So there we go. All right. So let's go take a look at the Three Musketeers and what are they saying? And they're saying, we're trying to go down. We're still trying to go up. That's this move here. We're trying to curl over. See, that's a big piece of information as it's curling over to try to go down. We're trying to go down here. We're trying to go down here. And we were trying to go down there. All right. So a lot of information says we could go down. Will it happen? I don't know. But right now the chart says it could. And so, you know, if you get it, awesome. That'd be fantastic. All right, hope that helps you, everybody.